In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can significantly improve your strength in just 2 weeks. Sounds like a bit of a big statement, but trust me, this really works. Let me introduce you to the concept of functional overreaching.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
So functional overreaching refers to a process where you basically push your body into a state of diminished recovery. So for a very short window, for 2 weeks, we're training the same muscle groups day in, day out, where they don't have the opportunity to recover. There's still a lot of other processes that are going on within the body that when you then recover properly after the period of functional overreaching, you see a massive increase in strength. Hey there, in case we haven't met, my name's Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unified Movement System, where we balance strength, flexibility and fitness in every workout so we can turn driven people into athletes. If you want to know how we do that, there's 3 ways that you can get connected with us in the description of this video. You can download one of our free blueprints, the strength blueprint, flexibility blueprint, nutrition blueprint. We even have an at-home workout blueprint. They're all free. Just click the link in the description down of this video. And if you want to grab one of our programs, a flexibility program, strength program, calisthenics, weightlifting, we've got a whole bunch of different standalone programs. There's a link in the description where you can look at our library. And if you're a high achiever and you want to get online coaching where you can learn our Unified Movement System, Monday to Saturday training as little as 2 days a week as up to 6 days a week, balancing strength, flexibility and fitness into 1-hour workouts where you have follow-along workouts with me, so you just press play and join in with me. New program every 4 weeks and online coaching from us via weekly coaching calls. Then you can get a free 30-day trial plus a sweet deal after that if you decide to stay for being a YouTube follower. Click the link in the description of this video and let's get started. So I've done this program several times, and what we usually do with our more senior students in the UMS is we do it once a year. So once a year we do 2 weeks of functional overreaching. It's 6 days a week of training, and each day we do 2 training sessions, and we're doing the same muscle groups every single day. They're also all over body workouts, so within the same workout we'll do upper body and lower body. And what happens is very, very quickly you start to feel very fatigued, you feel very run down, but you push through for these 2 weeks. And then at the end of those 2 weeks, we take 5 days where we do absolutely nothing but recover. We do just light mobility work, and we do a lot of eating, a lot of sleeping, and the strength gains that happen, the muscle development that happens is absolutely phenomenal. When I did this for the first time, my best ever barbell back squat was, I think it was 150 kilos or just short of it, about 148 kilos. When I finished the 2-week training cycle, I did a PB of 170 kilograms, which at the time was double my body weight. I weighed 85 kilograms and I squatted 170 kilograms. For the Americans, I think 85 kilograms is about 180 pounds, something like that. It's 160, about 190 pounds, and I squatted double my body weight. So that's a massive increase for 2 weeks of training. It really works, but you have to get it right. You have to understand how the recovery works afterwards, and you have to be very, very smart about your training and about your programming. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.